Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, Jamhuria's Homemade Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very juicy and easy hamburgers. The ingredients for this recipe are ground beef, black pepper, garlic powder, salt. First I'm going to add all my spices to the ground beef, so I'm adding half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a tablespoon of black pepper into the ground beef and mix it very well. The ground beef is ready. I'm gonna take a little bit water in a bowl and a small oven tray to put the patties on it. I'm gonna start making the hamburger patties. Make a big ball shape and then flat it down with your hands. Make it like a nice and beautiful patty. Put one layer of the hamburger patties down and then put a foil on top so they don't stick together. I rinsed my vegetables, so I have a lettuce, 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 onion, and ketchup, and the hamburger buns. I'm gonna chop my vegetables so they are ready and then start grilling the burgers. Preheat your grill, make sure it's nice and hot, then start putting the beef patties on top of the grill, and you grill each side about 5 to 6 minutes, or it depends how you want your burger. While the burgers are cooking, let me show you my beautiful spring flowers in my backyard. And I have a beautiful pink rose bush. This is my cat Benzo. He always trying to get on my videos. Once the burgers are ready, put a cheddar cheese on top of it, close the grill and let the cheese melt. Put the burger buns on top rack of the grill to warm up. The burgers are ready and I'm gonna plate it. I'm gonna add the vegetables to my burger, so I'm gonna put 1 piece of tomato, a little bit onion, 1 piece of lettuce, and I'm gonna just put a little bit ketchup on one side of the burger bun. I made some fries and I'm gonna serve this burger with homemade crunchy fries. The beef hamburger is ready. It looks very delicious and it's a very easy recipe to make at home. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe and I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching.